This will be test number 3 of the new style dispenser, and also a demonstration of the new control system and some other auxiliary items that have been added. So to start with, the control panel has been mounted on the top of the unit. The incoming power will come in through here. Through this conduit opening, the 24-volt DC signal from the robotic arm will enter the control box. This switch right here is the main power switch. This will allow the unit to be turned on and off. This switch controls the operation of the chain conveyor, either on or off. This switch controls the operation of the line vacuum, either on or off. And this particular switch is a manual override, so that if an operator wants to test the system or to set it up differently, they can control the entire unit from here as opposed to the robot controlling it. The incoming air supply comes over on the left-hand side, air regulator, a solenoid air valve. We tee off some of the air that comes down through a separate regulator, and now it comes down to the front of the machine, and this is an air manifold that blows a small amount of air on the top of the chain conveyor to dislodge any material before it cycles through. As you can see, the material coming out of the dispenser is very even, very well spaced. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and you can see how it works. So we turn on the main power, we turn on the conveyor, we turn on the line vac. Now we just operate the unit manually with the override system. Now you notice that there was a short delay once I turned the manual override switch off. That was so that the line vacuum conveyor will continue to run for just a few seconds after the material stops dropping, so that any material that is in the line will not build up in any of the vertical sections or in any of the joints that may be between the dispenser and the robot. You also notice that the chain conveyor is staying exceptionally clean in the front. There's no debris that's falling through. Everything that comes out of the hopper goes directly into the vacuum funnel and consequently through the line vac to the robot. Again, a quick view. We'll turn the unit off. You also notice there's another control here. This is a speed control for the belt, so that you can regulate how fast the material is dispensed from the hopper. At this point, with the material that's being used by Premier, the adjustment rate is from 1.5 pounds per minute to about 16 pounds per minute.